Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Gainesville local, and long-distance movers near me. Our long-distance moving service occurs over a distance of more than 50 miles. We create a plan for your long-distance move and provide you with a detailed quote. We help you pack and sort your items to make the activity easier. We pack, load, and unload your items for you. We are exceptional in our services, and we provide the most affordable and accessible long-distance moving services. We deal with the top movers and drivers at 3 men and a truck. Our movers have a wealth of knowledge. We handle and sort out all your clothes, appliances, and furniture, and handle them with care throughout the process. Our moving trucks are solid and roomy. They are durable and well-kept. In Gainesville, we offer the best local moving service. We are completely operational in the city. Our services are also cost-effective. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour. It's hard to find low-cost, high-quality service, but that's the luxury we provide to our customers. Because of our speedy and skilled moving service, we have become a neighborhood favorite. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gainesville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.